In the shipbuilding industry, bevel cutting is a crucial process before welding. However, many existing bevel cutting methods face significant challenges, such as poor accuracy, low efficiency, and high labor costs. These issues seriously affect production progress and cost control. Hypertherm plasma beveling. With its high precision, high efficiency, and low maintenance features, offers a brand new solution for the shipbuilding industry. The new generation of precise CNC plasma bevel cutting machines, through technological upgrades, helps shipyard users easily achieve one-time forming of large parts. Its innovative torch collision prevention function, automatic torch calibration, process compensation, and height control functions ensure the consistency of bevel quality. The precision error of the Y-bevel root face can be controlled within plus or minus 1 mm. Hypertherm plasma small parts post-bevel cutting table. Equipped with a dedicated bevel head, offers fast cutting speed and high precision. Its benchmark template design eliminates the need for manual marking and real-time adjustment, resulting in cutting efficiency that is 3 to 5 times higher than traditional oxyfuel cutting. Hypertherm plasma cutting robot. Equipped with an unmanned loading and unloading system, can achieve automatic recognition and cutting, without manual teaching. Its cutting efficiency is over 3 times higher, and the overall cost is reduced by at least 3 times, providing an efficient solution for small parts. Bevel cutting in the shipbuilding industry. Choose Hypertherm plasma beveling solution, and shipyard users can achieve significant improvements in precision and efficiency, reduce daily manual maintenance, and lower overall costs. It ensures high-quality bevel cutting to meet welding requirements. Hypertherm plasma beveling technology delivers efficient, precise, and reliable solutions to the shipbuilding industry. Choose Hypertherm. Advance to the next level of shipbuilding.